To boost your website performance, you need a powerful audit with advanced features. The Semrush Site Audit has it all and even more. Over 50 on-page and technical SEO checks. Exclusive checks such as href implementation, accelerated mobile pages, HTTPS, internal linking, markups, and canonical links. In addition, Semrush Site Audit has flexible settings including domain, subdomain, or subfolder crawling, the ability to include or exclude specific pages of audited sites, the ability to remove different URL parameters from URLs you want to crawl, time-saving features such as high-speed crawler, on-demand crawling, and scheduled auto-recrawls on daily or a weekly basis, integration with Trello, clear interface and intelligible data, breakthrough reporting and exporting features. And all this is just a small part of one big marketing suite. Start building the foundation for your SEO success now.